Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your image and immediately isolating the subject. Use Quick Selection or Magic Wand to grab the main subject. Refine edges with Select and Mask. Once selected, make a layer mask or duplicate the selection onto a new layer so your background becomes transparent. Make sure to enable the transparency grid to confirm transparency. If edges look harsh, choose a small feather and shift edge slightly to soften. This prevents jagged outlines when you change the background later. Now you focus on precision. Open Select and Mask to clean up complex edges like hair or fur. Use the Refine Edge brush along the boundary. Increase smooth modestly, add a subtle feather and bump contrast to tighten details. Shift edge inward or outward to eliminate halos, and toggle view mode to inspect against white and checkerboard. Once satisfied, output to a layer mask or new layer with layer mask. This keeps the transparency editable while preserving fine details for compositing. Finish by exporting the file in a format that supports transparency, PNG 24 for web or PSD for layered work. Before you finalize, place the image over several background colors to confirm edges look natural. Once done, flatten nothing. Keep the masked layer intact for future tweaks. If you see halos or fringe, make sure to refine the mask. Slightly contract or expand the mask, apply a tiny feather, or manually paint the mask with a soft brush. This corrects artifacts without degrading edge detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.